Greetings, my beautiful lovelies. It's Emmy. How are you? It's great to see you and welcome back. Today's video is sponsored by HelloFresh, the food delivery service that brings pre-portioned ingredients right to your doorstep so you can make a meal in about 30 minutes. Easy to follow step-by-step instructions make putting together a meal a breeze. HelloFresh is there to save you time and hassle. With fall just around the corner, HelloFresh is here to help you plan ahead for the busy season to come. Every week there are 40 chef-curated recipes to choose from. It's a great way to break out of recipe ruts. HelloFresh makes it super easy. Choose your recipes, pick your delivery dates, and then you have the peace of mind that dinner is taken care of. HelloFresh saves you even more time with their quick and easy recipes that come together in 15 minutes. And this week, my family's favorite meal was the pasta primavera with lemon sauce, bell peppers, zucchini, and peas. So if you'd like to try HelloFresh for yourself, click the link down below or go to hellofresh.com and use code 50emmymade to receive 50% off and free shipping. Big thanks to HelloFresh for sponsoring this video and for their continued support so I can make better videos for all of you. So today we are going to be making something that I think is perfect for summer and for your next summer cookout, for your little grill, your meetup, because it is just so stinking cute and is sure to elicit a smile or two. We are going to be making turtle burgers. Now, before you get all excited, this is not real turtles. We are not going to be consuming turtles. We are going to be making burgers that look like turtles, but use all the parts that I think of when I think of a classic summertime cookout. We're going to be using bacon, ground beef, and hot dogs to make a turtle-shaped burger. And it looks incredibly like a turtle. The hot dogs shrivel up, that's what we're going to be using for the appendages, and look kind of dried out like a turtle. The shell, which is going to have a little bacon lattice on top, looks a little bit like a shell. And then we've got the burger for the body. It sounds great and it looks funny and I really want to make it. And big thanks to lovely Jessica who got in touch with me via social media to tell me about this recipe. I will put the link to the original recipe that I'm adapting down below. And in that recipe, they call these redneck turtle burgers. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. I've got a pack of hot dogs here. We are going to need 3 hot dogs because we have 6 appendages. Cut right through the package. 4 of these are going to be the legs. So for the head, cut a little smile, about a ½ inch down. Looks just like Slimy from Sesame Street. Then we're going to make the tail. Cut 2 slices off the side to make kind of point. For the legs, we're going to cut 3 slices to make little nails or fingers like that. So do that for all 4 legs. We're gonna need some ground beef. This is 85-15. Whenever I make burgers, I like 80-20 or 85-15. That's all I could find. I like fat and juiciness in my burgers. So if you can find it, opt for higher fat, in my opinion. So this is about 1/3 pound of meat. Divide it in half and make it bigger than your bun in roughly a circle shape. Okay, then we're going to take the head, put it up here, and the tail opposite, legs pointing out like this. Then we're going to put more burger on top and kind of seal it up. Now we're going to take 4 slices of bacon, 2 across and then 2 vertical. And if you want to make a weave pattern, you can, and just over, under. And then we're going to tuck these pieces underneath. We want a rimmed baking pan to catch any of the bacon grease. Line it with foil, and then we need a rack. Now we have a little turtle. Isn't that great? Oh, I'm showing you its butt. There's its head. To keep everything in place, we're going to take some toothpicks and skewer them in so that the little hot dog pieces don't move during cooking. Alrighty, so now we're going to pop this into a preheated 350-degree oven and bake for 45 minutes or so to an hour until our beef is totally cooked and our bacon is crispy. In a lot of images I saw that the appendages, the hot dog pieces, got really toasted and brown, so I will likely cover this while it is cooking so that the legs don't get too burnt. Look what I just took out of the oven, and it looks so good. Look at its little face. So you see, it did get browned, in cooking. So after the first 10 minutes, I covered all the little legs and the head and tail with a bit of foil. Look at that. Doesn't it look great? See how the mouth opened up and the little legs got some definition. The fingers kind of came apart with cooking. So next we're going to remove the toothpicks. They have served their purpose well. And before you take this out of the oven or off the grill, make sure you check the internal temperature. It should be 165 degrees Fahrenheit or hotter. So of course you could eat it just like this, but I'm going to make it into a full-on burger by placing it on a bun. Mustard, ketchup, little mayo. I'm gonna add some lettuce. Burger right on top. Oh my gosh, look how stinking cute. What a perfect fit. And then we'll add some tomato. Put our bun right on top. Oh my gosh, look at my little turtle burger. It's not very little, is it? Alrighty, my lovelies, here it is. Finally, my little turtle burger. So stinking cute. Look at that. I love how the mouth opened up into a kind of a cheery smile. So great. We've got tomato, lettuce. You could add cheese to this if you wanted, whatever you like. But I'm gonna have it just like this. It's such a big burger. Alrighty, here we go. Thank you, my friend. Itadakimasu. That first bite was just hot dog and a little bit of lettuce and ketchup. Delicious. I love when hot dogs get roasted and crispy and caramelized. My favorite way to have a hot dog. In fact, I remember taking a hot dog and putting it on an end of a fork and grilling it over the flames in my college apartment, and just because I wanted that char to it. So good. Let's see if I can get a bite of everything, including the bacon. I think that'll have to be the second or third bite. Here we go. That is so stinking good. That's what it looks like inside. You see the hot dog, you see the beef that's well cooked, and the bacon. This is fantastic. So stinking good. You get the crunch of the lettuce, the juiciness of the tomato, squishy bun, which helps to keep your hands kind of clean, and just the beautiful burger that we made called the turtle burger. So stinking fantastic. Divine. The bacon burgers are so good. I rarely get them, but the added fat, the smokiness, the crispness. I ended up cooking mine for 45 minutes at 350 degrees, but I put it on convection. If you have a convection option, I highly recommend it. That will get your bacon nice and crispy. Convection means there's just a fan blowing hot air on your burger as it cooks, so it helps get it crispy. It's essentially what an air fryer does. You could put this in the air fryer as well. Just make sure you cover up the hot dog with plenty of foil so it doesn't get too crispy. And I would do that right from the beginning if you choose to use an air fryer, because these get crispy even if you cover them up, the legs and the little head. But they taste so good that way. So stinking delicious. So good. Highly recommend this one. Absolutely stinking delicious. I think the kids would really enjoy making these, adults as well, because they're just funny and they're easy to put together, and they combine all the things that we love about cookouts and grilling and summer. Alright, my lovelies, thanks so much for watching, and big thanks to HelloFresh for sponsoring this video. If you'd like to try HelloFresh for yourself, please click the link down below or go to hellofresh.com and use code 50emmymade to receive 50% off and free shipping. Thanks. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed that one. I hope you learned something. Please share this video with your friends. Follow me on social media. Get in touch with me. I get so many wonderful ideas like this one from all of you, and I love hearing from you. Like this video, subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one. Toodaloo. Take care. Bye. I can't. I want more. Give me more.